Stripped down to the bare metal skin to find exactly what went wrong within. Cases split open, gears in a row, under the light of the shed's dim glow. Measuring the bolt that fell in the pan, a tiny little hitch in the master plan. 5 millimeters wide, 35 long, the piece of the puzzle where it doesn't belong.
So that's, looks like it's working again, like it's just the friction of the oil or something. Interesting. Okay, that's a 3. Where did I put my socket? So you can see the pin in there, just so it's like that, it's flat, that's raised. So the pin is working like it should. I think it's just this is not doing anything, but there you go, you can see it's pulling back up. Maybe it's pulling up too hard. Maybe it's not throwing out too early. Just bring the light over. And there was some things on YouTube saying the pit should be like a V. So not quite a V, or is it meant to go further? And the spring wire doesn't look even. It's like the bottom one is like it's been stretched or something. Maybe it's been squashed. Even there, it's not like a cylinder, it's at an angle. Maybe that doesn't matter, I don't know, but there is no marking on this. Normally it should say 3.8 or 4.1, I think. There's a little piece of wear there. And slight round on one edge, I think. So the pin doesn't look worn or anything. It's got there is just that wear mark here. Okay, now the Hitchcock's one has a little dimple, or not a dimple, the opposite. A bit sticking up. Is that like to reduce friction? So rather than rubbing on the whole thing, it's just in one point.